Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is a beautiful house in your neighbor just sold of interest to most homeowners, property valuation. You may have heard that a beautiful house in your neighborhood was recently sold, and now you are curious about the worth of your own house. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and tricks to find out the value of your home. Firstly, it is important to understand that the value of your home is based on various factors such as the location of your property, its size, age, condition, and market demand at that point in time. Every locality has micro-markets with different prices of real estate properties. Hence, the value of your home can differ from that of your neighbors. One of the easiest ways to determine the value of your house is by using online real estate portals. You can find sites that offer free home value estimates like Zillow or Redfin. These sites use algorithms to assess several factors like recent sales transactions, tax records, and other details of your property, and give you an approximate worth. However, keep in mind that these estimates are not always accurate as they do not account for the unique features of your home. Another option is to hire a professional appraiser. A licensed appraiser can inspect your property and provide you with a detailed report of the estimated value of your home based on its condition, location, and comparable sales in the area. Appraisers can cost from a few hundred to thousands of dollars depending on the size and complexity of your property. However, it is a good investment, especially if you are planning to sell your home anytime soon. You can also look at the recent sales transactions of similar homes in your neighborhood. This will give you an idea of the market demand and prices in your area. However, keep in mind that just because a home in your neighborhood sold for a certain price doesn't mean that your home is worth the same. Each property is unique, and a professional appraisal would give you a more accurate value of your home. Keep in mind, Alliance Real Estate. The company is a local firm with full services in Philadelphia and will offer you free with a one-time electronics appraisal certificate. Please contact Mr. Eric Waugh. His direct number is 267-401-8572 to learn more. Finally, it is important to note that the value of your home can increase or decrease over time. Regular maintenance, home improvements, and market demand can impact the value of your home. It is always a good idea to keep an eye on the market trends and keep your home in top condition. In conclusion, there are several ways to find out the approximate worth of your house. You can use online tools, hire an appraiser, or do your research on recent sales transactions in your neighborhood. Remember, your home is one of your biggest investments, and it is important to know its value to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.